Hi, here I demonstrate a mid-length hairstyle for everyone. I do this work with Vern Intelligent Combined Scissors. First, adjust hair volume by slanting texturizing. Pay attention to the scissors I use. I especially add Vern's unique styling scissors 6ED. Applying 6ED to slanting texturizing. It can create wispy and three-dimensional effects for this hairstyle. Next, I combine two Vern cutting scissors 6B together, to cut the length by point cut. I can quickly cut the length in this way, which is more than twice as fast as using a single pair of scissors. I especially reserve the hair at the bottom section, and we'll do another cutting method later. At the bottom section, I apply deep point cutting to make the cut deeper, and create more obviously wispy effect with the same tools. Please leave your valuable comments or questions in the comment section under the video. If you like this video, please hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. There are more videos that give you more haircut inspiration on Vern's channel. I still apply the same way to cut the bangs. Lastly, style with a curling iron. The hairstyle is complete. Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.